After years of research, Mesoestetic Medical Devices, a company operating in 50 countries, has launched the revolutionary Photogen system, Radiophotonic Multitherapy. This system synergetically combines the most effective technologies with a range of medical cosmetics that are specially formulated to strengthen the effects of the treatment and yield spectacular results from the first session. 4 innovative and effective technologies have been combined to provide a wide range of face and body treatments. The Photogen system is comprised of 4 different modalists: Unipolar Radiofrequency, Unipolar Transfer, Bipolar Radiofrequency, High-Powered Phototherapy. The Photogen system technologies are combined with one another using protocols that were specially developed to achieve spectacular results from the first session. Radiofrequency treatment. Radiofrequency causes selective deep heating of the dermis and the subdermis, causing the collagen to contract and thicken to produce firmer skin. Heating by radiofrequency is controlled and occurs in the dermis, so that the epidermis is protected from heat damage. The Photogen system treatments are safe, comfortable, and have little or no side effects. In the short term, the collagen and elastin fibers, the molecules responsible for constructing the matrix that support the structures of the skin, contract, creating an instant firming effect. However, the most interesting effect is produced in the long term, when true dermal reconstructing takes place and the old collagen fibers are replaced with new ones to produce more elastic tissues, thus improving the quality of the skin. When the collagen in the different layers of the skin is damaged by excessive sun exposure or genetic and environmental factors, the skin begins to loosen and wrinkle. Treatments that only act on the surface are not sufficient to restore the collagen located in the internal layers of the skin and yield limited results. Radiofrequency achieves spectacular results in firming the tissues, as it renews the skin's collagen in the middle and deep layers by safely heating the dermal and subcutaneous layers. The Photogen system uses 3 different types of radiofrequency to address the beauty problems that most concern our clients. Unipolar Radiofrequency works at the deepest levels, up to 2 to 3 centimeters. The unipolar head is comprised of one active emitter electrode that is directly applied to the skin. There is no return electrode, and the body acts as a receiving antenna that dissipates the radiofrequency. It is highly effective in the treatment of the subcutaneous adipose tissue. It creates a deep body firming effect due to the heating of the deep dermis, which produces new collagen and has a long-lasting firming effect. Unipolar Transfer. Unipolar Transfer radiofrequency is a revolutionary type of radiofrequency that enables active agents to penetrate the dermal layer, thanks to specific frequency parameters. It is applied using a unipolar applicator. The frequency of the treatment used changes the permeability of the membrane, enabling active agents to penetrate into the dermal layers where the cell repair mechanisms are located. The laboratory at Mesoestetic, a leading company in the cosmetics industry, has developed 4 exclusive preparations that strengthen the results of the treatment through the use of active agents that contain Hydrogen, a combination of moisturizing, softening, and reparative agents that are used to correct dry skin and reduce the expression lines caused by the loss of moisture in the coroneous layer of the skin. Dermalifjen, a combination of functional active ingredients that stimulate fibroblast activity, encouraging the production and restructuring of collagen and consequently increasing the elasticity of the skin. Lipogen combats the primary causes of cellulite through the use of active ingredients that promote the destruction of fat deposits while helping to prevent their storage and resynthesis. In addition, it has an important circulatory and anti-oedema effect that enables the transport of nutrients to all the tissues along with the elimination of toxins and liquid retention. Photogen contains active ingredients that provide a deep and long-lasting firming effect by restructuring the connective tissue. Bipolar radiofrequency. Bipolar radiofrequency is transmitted from the transmitter to the receiver pole, which are located on the same applicator. It acts on the most superficial level, reaching a depth of up to 1 centimeter, as the effect is limited to the area between the two electrodes. It produces intense, localized heat in the superficial dermis, which stimulates fibroblast activity, significantly increasing the production of collagen and creating a lifting effect without the need for surgery. Phototherapy treatment. Comb LED system. The Photogen system includes the most complete phototherapy system, enabling electromagnetic energy of different wavelengths to be applied to the tissue. Its principal actions are based on photodynamic cell stimulation that causes the cellular structures to absorb the energy, thus creating beneficial effects at different depth levels. It is a comfortable, non-invasive procedure which activates the cells through a process known as photomodulation and has no secondary effects. The Photogen system uses 4 wavelengths to produce a highly versatile system, enabling the use of multiple combinations of treatment. The wavelength determines the depth at which it acts. Infrared light, 880 nanometers. Provides intense regeneration, scar, cellulite, and localized fat treatments. It acts on the deepest tissues. Red light, 660 nanometers. Provides a biostimulating and reparative effect, increases cell metabolism, and stimulates the production of collagen. Effects on deep subcutaneous tissues. Amber light, 590 nanometers. Anti-aging and anti-wrinkle effect, brighter skin. Effect on middle skin tissues. Blue light, 470 nanometers, for the treatment of acne. Effect on superficial tissues. The Photogen system has different programs that enable the individual application of colors or different color combinations to provide tailored treatments to address specific needs. Treatment programs. The Photogen system has 4 complete treatment programs to meet specific needs of each client. 1. Hydrophotonic solution, moisturizing anti-wrinkle treatment. 2. Tightening skin solution, firming facial treatment. 3. Bi-sculpting solution, for the treatment of cellulite and localized fat. 4. Bitonic solution, firming body treatment. Triphase protocol. The preset triphase protocols are easy to apply and highly effective from the first session, as the 3 application phases work at different levels. Stage 1. Penetration of specific functional active ingredients at the dermal level through the use of Unipolar Transfer RF. Stage 2. Stimulation of the production of collagen and elastin through the use of unipolar or bipolar RF, depending on the desired level of depth. Stage 3. High-intensity phototherapy completes the treatment with lights that have different effects depending on the wavelength used. Red, blue, amber, and infrared LEDs. The Photogen system achieves spectacular results, comparable to lifting, but without the need for surgery, aggressive treatments, or secondary effects, enabling the patient to return to his or her everyday routine immediately. The most innovative and effective technologies are intelligently combined with the use of revolutionary cosmetic preparations to yield spectacular results from the first session. Photogen System, new radiophotonic multi-therapy technology. Photogen System by Body Aesthetic.